the K-12 basic education was anchored on Republic Act number 10533, Basic Education Act of Enhanced Basic Education Act of 2013, which was signed into law by President Noynoy Aquino last May 15, 2013. And the features of the K-12 education is actually the refinement of our old educational system, which was first 10 years, and now that we have implemented the K-12, our educational system was enhanced with the kindergarten as a preparatory additional one-year curriculum. Then we have 6 years in the elementary, 4 years in the junior high school, and 2 years in the senior high school. So making our educational system comparable to the rest of the educational curriculum throughout the globe. Because from 10 years, with the addition of kinder and 2 years in the senior high school, that made our educational curriculum, insofar as number of years is concerned, is already 13 years. The very features of the K-12, especially so with the kindergarten that we have, is to enhance the language proficiency of the learners, because it was found out long before that we have a low proficiency level, not only in English or languages, but also science and mathematics. The very ultimate goal of the senior education, senior high school education, is actually higher education after graduating high school, because one can choose to be enrolling in college. Then we have the development of the middle level skills that will make the graduates ready for employment. Then also the graduates, because they are already trained, they have the NC2s, NC3s, they will be ready for establishment or establishing their own business, that is entrepreneurship, then possibility of employment because they are already skilled. Under Republic Act 10533, that is, as I said, Enhanced Basic Education Act of 2013, there was an emphasis of the kinder as part of the basic education curriculum, and the use of mother tongue, and also the senior high school. Kindergarten actually starts when one is 5 years old, then elementary when one is already 6 to 11 years old, in junior high school 12 to 15 years old. In senior high school, most probably the students is 16 to 17 or 16 to 18. For the senior high school, we actually have 4 tracks. This is the focus of training for students, which students can choose academic, technical, vocational, and sports, as well as arts and design. So for academic track, we have 4 tracks under it, and these are the EBM, STEM, UMS, and GAS. So students for academic, they may be proceeding to college For ABM, they can proceed business. For STEM, they can proceed to science, engineering, mathematics. That is a course relating to science and mathematics. Then UMS, social studies, and GAT. So these are courses that will prepare the students in going to college. But it does not mean that if one is a graduate within the academic tracks, they are not qualified to go to college when they finish technical vocational, sports, arts and design. They can also opt to go to college depending on the choices that they want, because there was a misnomer before that when one graduated from TVL, sports, arts and design, they might not be able to go into the academic strand when they enroll to college. But it's not. Even if they are a graduate of technical vocational, sports, as well as arts and design, they can also opt to go to college, because senior high school is just but a preparatory to going to college. These are only specialized training to which one are able to be employed, or they can be an entrepreneur. According to Nelson Mandela, education is the most powerful weapon that we can use to change the world. So let us patronize our K-12, because education is, according to Nelson Mandela, a weapon which we can use to change the world. And the only legacy of any republic is to offer and to give the best education for its people. Salamat.